How are you guys? My name is Sam. Today we're going to look at factorization of quadratic expressions of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is an integer not equal to 1. So first we multiply the coefficient of x squared and the term independent of x. So 2 times 9 we get 18. So we now look for two numbers such that if we multiply them we get 18, but if we add them we get 11, which is the coefficient of x. So you can see that 2 times 9 gives us 18, but if we add 2 and 9 we get 11. So it means those two factors satisfies the two conditions. So we now we expand the middle part using 2 and 9. So we now write 2x squared plus 2x plus 9x plus 9. So first, on the first two terms, we factor out 2x. Where there's 2x squared, we remain with x plus. Where there's 2x, we remain with 1. Then on the last two terms, the common factor is 9, so we factor out 9. We remain with x plus 1 again. After doing that, we now take the first bracket as x plus 1, then times the second bracket is formed by 2x, then plus 9 here. So we have 2x plus 9. Remember, these two brackets, when you reach this stage, have to be the same. So this gives us our final answer. Now I want to look at the second example, where we have a negative on the third term. So we are going to take 10x squared as our number 2. 10x squared plus x minus 2. So first, 10 times minus 2, we get minus 20. Now two numbers say that if we multiply them, we get minus 20. We have two possible pairs, but if we add them, we get 1. So let us take these two pairs. 5 times minus 4 and minus 5 times 4. We know that if we say 5 times minus 4, we are going to get minus 20. Then minus 5 times 4, we are also going to get minus 20. The condition of multiplication is satisfied by both pairs. Now, 5 times minus 4 is minus 20, but 5 minus 4 is 1. So it means this pair is satisfied. Now, let us look at the second pair. Minus 5 times 4 is minus 20, but minus 5 plus 4 is minus 1. Here, we have x. X, remember x is the same as 1x. X is the same as 1x. So here, this second pair gave us minus 1 instead of 1. So it means it failed to satisfy the second condition. So it means we take the first pair, which satisfies the condition of multiplication as well as addition. So we now expand the middle term, which is in x, using those two numbers. So we are going to have 10x squared plus 5x minus 4x minus 2. Then we factor out 5x, is the one that is common on these two terms. So if we factor out 5x, where there is 10x squared, we are going to remain with 2x plus. Where there is 5x, and if we factor out 5x, we remain with 1. Then minus, here, the common term between these two terms is minus 2. So we factor out minus 2. So where there is minus 4x, we remain with positive 2x. Where there is minus 2 and we factor out minus 2, we remain with plus 1. You can see that these two brackets are the same. So it means we are on the right track. Then finally, we combine. We take the first bracket as 2x plus 1. And then the other bracket is formed by 5x, then minus 2. Then we are done. I hope this was clear. Thank you guys for listening.